right, we're back again. If animals could talk, which do you think would be the biggest gossip, and what juicy secret would they speak? And so now we will just say, suggest. You can pick who you want to respond to that, or you can just say, suggest. So you can choose if you want something serious, funny, or thought-provoking. Let's go funny. I don't know how you turn something funny into something serious. People do, though. And so they're going to choose a stand-up comedian. And let's see what the response is. If animals could talk, which do you think would be the biggest gossip, and what juicy secret would they spill? Oh, that's easy. The biggest gossip would definitely be a parrot. I mean, they're literally built for it. Just imagine a parrot squawking about Mr. Johnson's questionable fashion choices, or that time Mrs. Johnson accidentally walked into her own bathroom during the neighborhood barbecue. They'd spill the tea, but in a way that makes you question if you want to hear it. Like, did you hear about the cat who thinks it's a dog? Truly scandalous. They're like reality TV stars or of the animal kingdom, and they don't know when to keep quiet. Oh, hush, Polly. Nobody asked you for your unsolicited opinions on my love life. Now, here is and plus you get a card that is shareable. So it takes the essence or the lesson or the important philosophy behind this response and gives you something that's shareable. Sometimes the loudest voices in the room are the ones who have the juiciest secrets to share. So that's cute. But it helps you to not have wasted your time. You're actually getting content. So you can get insight. I mean, in this case, it's just a joke. But some of the other things, you can ask it a serious question, and you can get that answer, insight from the outside, and get content at the same time. And suppose you want to learn the other language. All you got to do is click that. It's going to assume the purpose for doing so is to learn. So it's going to give you each sentence in both languages split up so that you can see the translation. So in other words, if you want to learn, you can learn in the middle of playing this game. Not only that, you can change the format. Still get the card here. And if you want to pay for the higher tier, instead of having our domain here, you can put your domain here. And you can share it. So if you think about it, it's every bit worth the highest tier because you get all of this stuff, and you also have a way to create unique content that's going to be different than what everybody else has. All right. So that is called party mode. And so not only do you have this unlimited supply of questions that you don't even have to think about, you can just click it, and it's going to come up with something. I mean, I could just use this thing all day. The questions are interesting. Would you rather have to sing everything to everything you say, for a week, or dance every time you hear music for a week? Let me give you another one. Would you rather have the ability to talk to animals but they always complain about you, or have the power to read minds but only hear what people think about their worst traits? Would you rather have to loudly narrate your life like a sports commentator for a day, or only be able to speak in rhymes for a whole week? Would you rather have to always speak in rhymes for a week, or only communicate through interpretive dance for a week? All right, let's use this question. And you get 25 with this tier that I'm on. And right now we're at Ask the Comedian. But you can change it. Oh, baby, I had to go with the rhymes. I mean, who doesn't want to sound like they walked out of a Dr. Seuss book while desperately trying to buy a loaf of bread? Just picture me in the grocery store spitting bars about avocados and gluten-free bread. Oh dear, I fear it's hard to be clear, but I can grab some cheer without shedding a tear. Meanwhile, interpretive dance would have me flailing like a fish out of water every time I wanted to order a coffee. I can barely interpret my own feelings, let alone get deep with jazz hands. Let's translate it. And when you put translate from this card, it's automatically assuming you want to learn, so it's going to not just translate it, it's going to separate the sentences so that you can easily see how the translations compare. What the translation is a translation of, I should say. So that's I mean, obviously that's just party mode. This is just the last thing I added to the app. The original thing about the app was Ask Humanity. Is more so about it goes back to the point of having a question that you want to ask right here. Me and my whether let's do this. Whether the dishes should be washed immediately after using them or later at night or the next day. So let's do the Native American elder. That's what we want to respond. So let's ask. And so if you have a disagreement that you want an outside opinion on, this is a unique and interesting and fun way to resolve it. In the grand tapestry of life, is it tapestry? In the grand tapestry of life, the simplest acts of care, like washing dishes, can be seen as a reflection of our harmony with one another and with the world around us. Consider this a moment of gathering where understanding between you and your girlfriend blooms. You can honor the dishwashing as a shared ritual, allowing for the sacredness of togetherness, while whether you choose to wash immediately in the spirit of mindfulness or allow them to wait, remember to communicate openly and seek a compromise that honors both your flows, much like nature adjusts the changing seasons. And then you get this shareable quote, in the dance of life, even the smallest task can weave connection. Let every choice reflect harmony and understanding. So this is Ask Humanity. You get insights from different archetypes, from different categories. You can put it in learn mode. You can put it in party mode, where just maybe, a group can gather and ask this thing questions, laugh about it. And these are the categories: ancient wisdom, modern archetypes, and voices of humanity. And this is just an extra thing where you can just create your own app, and I go into some different options for that. So that's what you have here, askhumanity.com. There is try it out, see how you like it. Oh. And there's even an affiliate program. So we'll try it out. If you like it, send me a feedback message. Matter of fact, I'll add that on here. I want to be an affiliate. I'll add that on here. And so if you're interested, just let me know. 40% is what you would get from each tier. Payout is $100 because it's still manual right now. I had to see, before I go through the trouble of setting it up, automate it. Let's see if this thing takes off. But yeah, if you love it, you want to be an affiliate of it, then send me a message. It's going to be right here with the feedback, and I'll get in touch with you.